Hi guys, right, here we go. Can you believe it? It's our new subscription box. Already we're on number 47. What's this one about? It's all about our edge stamp and die collections. So what we're going to do is dive straight in and have a look at exactly what you're going to get. Now you're going to make a minimum of 16 cards here with the card blanks, and you're getting over 180 elements. Now those elements all come in the form of your stamps, your dies, and all your additional items within the box. So what we're going to do is let's have a look at the main items. So I tell you what, let's have a look at the stamps. Now these stamps is where you're getting 16 of them. Now you're getting your three main images. You've got your butterfly, your sunflower, and also your little cute bunny rabbit. You've got your additional sentiments as well. So that is part one of our edge stamp and die collection, because what you're also getting is three separate dies. Now these dies work in coordination with the stamps, so these are the edgeable factor. So each die works with each stamp set, so you're getting three of those. We're then going to be giving you your assorted ribbon. So within these colour tones here, you can see how bright and fresh that they are, with the hint of the pastels as well, with the yellow and the pinks. Three colours, three different widths, which gives you 9 in total, so you get them included. What we're also going to be giving you is 100 gems. So these work also in conjunction with your ribbons. Beautiful, beautiful colour tones. So 100 of them. We're giving you the card blanks for you to create your cards. This time what we're doing is we are giving you all the same size. So you've got 16 card blanks and they are all 4 by 6 inches. For you to then give them to the recipient, you need your envelopes. So we're giving you them too. So you've got your 16 envelopes and they're also 4 by 6. Now once you've done the main colouring and decoration with the stamps and the dies, you might want to decorate them on the back with your pattern paper. Well, we're giving you them as well. Now these are so bright and bold and fresh when it comes to not only the designs but the colour tones as well. So that's your 8x8 printed papers, 12 sheets, 6 designs, and you're getting 2 of each. And then to finish off, maybe you want to do your mats and layers, maybe you want to use them as separate panels, you can do, and that is of course your 8x8 colour card pack. Now within these ones, what you're going to be getting is 10 sheets, you're getting 5 colours, and you're getting 2 of each. So here you can see how well the colours work with the printed papers, the gems, and also the ribbon. So that's your 10 sheets of your colour cardstock. We're then of course giving you your 12 sheets of patterned paper with all your additional items. So maybe you want to do your easel cards, maybe you want to do your stepper cards, maybe you want to start to incorporate them as the main image, maybe a border, maybe an edgeable. You can do that. These dies with the stamps give you lots of versatility that you can create when it comes to your cards or of course your projects, and they're all done using our brand new subscription box, which is number 47, and it's all about the edge stamp and die collections.